open a can.
Without a can opener. Oh my god, that's dangerous. By the way, hi. It's
Hi.
Tiffany.
And Lynne.
And today, we're doing something really gross. Those are snails! Ew.
Hello, my name is Sheldon. Let's jump it. Stand back, stand back.
Okay, stand. I need to look at the directions again. We didn't even say. Oh, what? Oh. Ew! It's a booger!
It's a snail.
It's a booger! Saute until fragrant but not brown.
Fragrant. Let there be fragrance.
Okay. So once it's hot at. What did I just trip over?
There's a thing called a mat.
Wait, I want to see this.
But like,
Do it. I'm watching.
but I'm afraid.
No, do it. Have water.
Why did I say that I was gonna do this?
You have that to drink if necessary.
Remember eating hot things with alcohol afterwards? What does it do? Just make your face burn even more?
It's fun.
And it makes your face burn even more.
It's fun.
Okay. Yeah,
Are you alive?
it's hot. But it feels so good.
Yeah? Thing for you.
Oh, my face burns. Whew.
I'm waiting to have the first bite, Lynn, because of you.
Did he fall out? Shelly. Shelly. You're empty. Here we go. Yeah, I got you. I got you, girl. Oh.
Look at that. Use your fingers. It's cooked. Ready? We're going to eat this.
I'm afraid.
Cheers. Eating
No,
snails.
I really don't want to. Oh.
Wasn't that bad?
It's so scary.
It's not scary. Ugh. Like that.
Come out.
Look at how big they are.
Come
Like,
out,
you didn't realize there was that much stuff in it.
This one's not even in here.
Dip, dip.
Yeah, there's no snails.
What?
Yeah, I'm not getting.
How is it possible that I got?
You get all the snails.
I'm sorry.
I
gonna eat
hate
this
you.
one. Do it.
I don't.
Dip it in the sauce. It tastes good with the sauce.
You're. Oh, look, it has a little swirly. It's so cute. Oh, now I've developed a relationship
No,
with
you have to eat it though.
But I'm emotionally connected to the
Into
snail
your
now.
mouth. Into your mouth.
Can you imagine just like the snail being inside its shell,
Yeah.
and then just like this person, like not. I mean, they don't even know who we are, but like just
This person.
this pokey thing, just stabbing you and then taking you away from your home.
I'm just gonna keep eating.
I mean, really though. Oh no, I dropped a snail.
No.
It's like a little piggy tail. Oh no, now I'm developing more feelings for these snails. What is wrong with me?
It's seafood.
That doesn't mean I didn't develop a friendship with them before I cooked them.
So we're just gonna pick them all out and then snack on them all at once. Because that sounds more fun. It is.
Look at that boogie.
The most scrumptious boogie you've ever eaten. Because let's be honest, we've all eaten our own boogers.
What?
Because it's like a gross thing, but it's really satisfying when you do it.
Yes.
Or like a really good poop. What? Anybody does
Like,
do this?
They
Thank
need
you
to-
for dripping
yeah.
on me.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I don't mean to.
It's fine.
Here,
I just have really messy. Okay, that just smeared it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You didn't.
Bitch, get out the way. Oh wait, are we allowed to cuss on this?
No.
No, my bad. I see you.
Ooh,
Oh yeah.
Oh! Look! I dropped him in the trash can.
This is the drip zone.
I hear you. I feel you in there. I feel you.
That's what she said. I see you. I get it.
kick you.
You gotta legit go down.
Hey guys, Lynne and Tiff here.
Hope you guys like the video.
And if you guys want to see us do more dumb things or put slimy stuff in our mouths, you should like this video, subscribe, and we can do more of that stuff for you.
Lynne will do it.
Yeah, and I will gladly do it because you know what? I love you guys.
She really does.
I'll love you forever.
She really will.
Maybe I'll propose.
With what?
A ring.
From where?
Tiffany's. I mean, do you have a ring that I can, like... Because I was going to actually go to the store. I don't know why, like, you thought that... Yeah. I was going to, like, use a ring that you own or anything. That's weird.
Tie like a string.
Do you sell rings? Okay, enough of that. Bye!
Yes. Earthquake!